Now let's get into our tool number one, and that is Leonardo.ai. So this is the dashboard of Leonardo.ai, and this is how it actually looks like. When you will scroll down right here, you will see different character designs, the features, and different toolkits that you can use, whether it's AI canvas, image generation, or 3D texture generation. So if you will even scroll down, you will find out different image generation features or tools or the models that can help you to generate different type of images of your own choice. This is a platform gallery and more of that stuff. If you are someone new to this platform, so you need to sign up with your name, with your email. But if you are someone already using this, or you have some idea of this tool, or you have signed in before, then you just simply need to sign in. As I am already using this tool, so I don't need to sign up again. I will just click on the get started option, and this is how it actually looks like. After you will sign in or sign up, this is how the actual dashboard of Leonardo.ai looks like. These are the trending videos and images that you will find over here. These are the trending parts of this tool, the trending videos. When you will scroll down, you will find so many beautiful images or videos that you can even use for your things if you want. And if you scroll down more, you will find out more of that stuff. And over here, you can see as you scroll down, these are the all character. That means all the image or videos are here. This is photography. If you need any image or video related to photography, you will find it right here. If you need any images or videos related to animals, just click on the animals option and you will find different animal stickers or images or myths like this AI generated image. You will find all the animal based images or videos right here. So when you will click on the character option right here, you will find images of different characters. You then see this character. If you scroll down, if you scroll up over here, this character, you then simply use this. This character looks really good. The deep meditation image. So this is how you then find out images if you want to find it out the way you want. If you want trending videos or image, you then click over here. If you want new videos, something new to this platform, you then simply click on the new one and you will find all of these are the new images that has been uploaded recently. So this part over here is done. So if you come over here, up there you will find different options. This is the real-time canvas. This is the flow state. This is the video state option. This is the image generation option, the upscaler, the canvas editor, and more. We will get into each of this one by one. But on the left hand side, if you will see, if you are someone a free user of Leonardo.ai, so per day you get 150 tokens per day. So as per your tokens, you then generate that much of image or video as per which generation tool that you are using. So based on these 150 tokens, you can use or you then generate different images and videos. But if you are someone, a pro user or a paid user of Leonardo.ai, then you can use there are more than 150 tokens per month. So based on that, just see the pricing and option and you will find it out. These are the different libraries. That means what I have recently or a few months ago or till the time I'm using this tool or have started using this tool, the images that I have generated, I will find it out in the libraries tab. So if you are someone new to this and you have never generated any images before, so this will be a blank space for you. Or if you have generated any images before, then you will find something over here. This is the image option where you can generate the image. This is the video, the flow state as I have showed you. The both side, the home page. If you click on the home page, this side of this page and this side over here are always the same. So there's no difference. More of these things are similar. So when you will click on the advanced over here, the model and training, when you will click over here, you will find how these are different models that you can use to generate your image. Whether it's a Lucid, Flux, GPT-1, GPT image, this is the Phoenix, this is Flux, different feature, this is Nano Banana. And if you scroll down, if you want 3D animation style image, this is where you will find out. This is the vintage style photography. So there are tons and tons of models that you will find over here. Just click on any one of this and start with your image generation or the image generation part. So now let's come over here to the home page and show you how this thing actually works. So if I click on the real-time canvas, what happens is, let's start with the new one. So let's erase this completely and I'll show you how this thing actually works. So let me erase all of this which I have generated previously, or I worked with this previously. So I'll erase all of this stuff. So now you will find over here, these are two flat canvas over here. What you need to do over here when it comes to real-time generation, it really happens if I draw something over here, anything, whether I write a letter or I draw something or I create an emoji or something like that, an image will be created right on the right hand side of the canvas. So I'll show you how this thing works. So I'll increase the size of my brush. You will find out you can add any image of your choice if you want. So I'll not add an image right now. This is, you can just generate anything you want of your own choice. Just enter the prompt and it will be done. So I will not even use this one. This is the eraser. And this is the brush, the kind of brush you want to use, the color that you want to use. And this is the size of the brush that you want. Whether it's 100, 60, 50. This is the undo option. So, and this is the delete option. So let's try out something and let's create a Z. Now you will find out a Z has been created over here. A shaded Z has been created over here. When you will come down over here under the output input generation right over here, you will find out there are different features that you can activate from here. Whether you want this image which has been generated after you are writing something on the left hand side of the canvas, whether you want a dynamic image, whether you want a cinematic based concept, whether you want a fantasy based art, whether you want painting, photography or product. So I will first go for a photography and now see how the image instantly changed after I changed the generation option. So now let's go to anime. Now see how this thing actually changed. So this is the dynamic and you will see how this part also changed. So based on these features, the product, the vibrant, the sketch features, the painting features, the generation on the output of this image will automatically change. So if I click on the environment, see how this thing now actually changed. So now I'll come over here and I'll add few more elements to this. See how this thing is actually working out. See the image that has been generated. See the output that has been generated on the right hand side of the canvas as I create more of that stuff. Just see the image, the output. what I am doing, I'm not drawing anything over here. I'm just using the brush and I'm just doing anything that I want. And see that the changes is happening. The change is right happening. And let's do this. Let's do this. Let's spin this completely. And see how it has been created based on the environment based image. Now if I click on to the product, now you will see a different product has been showed. I don't know what is this, but this is something that it is showing. Now again I'll click over here and click on the fantasy art. See, a bed, robot or something has been generated when it comes to fantasy art. Now let's go to the concept art and you will find a different concept. A man, a Superman, not a Superman, but a man wearing a dress, Superman kind of a dress something. This is how it looks like. My input was this one, a very weird thing which makes no sense, but still it's generating something different over here. So this is how this tool actually works like. So now let's go to the different one. Let's go to the flow state. If I click on the flow state over here, you will find different prompt models that you then use. So this model is showing an elegant hand-painted print fashion, a pirate ship sailing through stormy sea, vibrant modern scene. So you then use your own prompt. There is only one token per image. So I would use this prompt only. But if I hit generate, so now let's see what it actually generates. So this is the image that is been generated. Now if I click on I need more image like this one, I need a fine-tuned style. So I'll need more of those images like this. As you can read over here, use more like this image to generate image similar to the style and prompt already used. So if you want similarity in these prompt, you then use this more light of this. You then click on the more light this image and you will find a similar image has been generated for you. So if I click over here, more like this image I want, it will generate me more and more images like this. The print, the face, the image, the face, the style. If I click over here again, more like this one I need. So it will generate me more like this. So this is how the flow state of the image actually works. So if I again click on I need more like this. So this is how more is actually image similar to that is similar to the image that I chose is showing me over here. As you can see, 23 tokens are only left. So I cannot use this anymore or else I will not able to show you more features of Leonardo. So now the video state, and when it comes to video, it takes 70 tokens per video. As per video, it will generate, but I cannot use it just because I have only 14 tokens left or 15 out of these out of 150. So I cannot use this. So the only thing you need to do is to just put your prompt over here, a detailed prompt, and just hit on the generate option and you will find a beautiful video based on what you want. Just I can show you the different features. This is the motion control feature. So this is you want a zoom out video, you want a crash zoom in video, you want a bullet time based video, you want a dolly out based video. Just click on the features that you want over here and it will generate you in that same style. And if you click on the motion element right here, you then see what type of motion element do you actually want. Whether you want a dark fantasy based motion, Whether you want a 90s retro anime motion, or whether you want a golden age cinema, a blue wave, or any of these, there are tons of style of motion. You then choose from here and you can start your video generation. The auto one prompt enhancement, it will automatically enhance your prompt, the vibe, the style that you want. You want a clay based video, a pro photo, a logo based, or a sketch based. The lighting that you want, a backlight, you want a 4G light, a golden hour. If you thumb down luminous, anything you want, you can choose it from here. The quality of the video, whether it's 480p or 720p. So this is how you can generate a video of your own choice. So now let's go to the image one, the most important of all of these things. When I click on the image part, over here, and let's choose a model. Let's go for, I need to choose a model where I have a limited persons. So I think so I will not be able to. Oh, I use this one. I then use this one. This only needs 8 persons. Or let's go to the Phoenix or the Flux one. So this only needs 8 persons. So I then use this one. So to generate an image, you need a date prompt. If you are someone who can write a date prompt to generate the exact image that you want, then that's great. Or if you are someone who is somehow not good at generating the exact image, the style, the eyes, the features, the lighting and everything, then you can simply use a simple tool that we use every day, or most of the people use in their daily life, and that is ChatGPT to generate these prompts. So what I'm going to do right now is I have 15 buttons over here, as you then see, and this model, the Flux model, only needs 8 buttons. So based on all of these models have different button charges. Some models get, if this one is a new one, so it will take 45 buttons or something to generate these images, these types of images, 4 images or something. The GPT model will charge something else, the Flux will charge something else, some charges 25, some charges 35. So based on the model, it will charge different tokens. It will take different tokens to generate different images, the kind of images you want. So to generate an image, I need a prompt. So I'll head out to ChatGPT and I will give a image demo or a image to show how the image should look like. So I will write over here, based on the above image shown, I need an amazing detailed written prompt to generate this exact image, to generate the exact image style when it comes to head, eyes, features and more. And this looks like a Disney image. Looks like a Disney image. So based on the above image shown, I need an amazing detailed prompt to generate the exact image shown when it comes to hair, eyes, features and more. And this looks like the Disney image, but I need an image of a girl instead of of this old lady shown in the image. This old lady shown in the image. So if I hit enter and let's wait for a moment so that GPT could easily understand and generate a prompt. So this is the example so that GPT could easily understand what type of image do you really demand. So this is how the GPT has generated me a prompt, a young girl in Disney Pixar 3D animation style, expressive face with the large soft eyeglasses, round neck with rosy plus smooth face thin with natural lighting, wearing large brown glasses, short wavy silver blonde hair styled similarly to an elderly woman but a youthful and vibrant philosophy. The entire prompt over here. I'll head on to Leonardo and I will paste it over here and I'll hit enter. Now let's wait for a moment and see what image do this tool actually generate. So this is how the tool looks like. This is how the image actually looks like. It is so similar to this image that I recently uploaded, and this is the image that Leonardo has generated it for me. This looks exactly like a Disney movie image, animated movie style image, and this is such a good and cute looking image. No one can believe that this is not a Disney movie character. This exactly looks similar to the image, the Disney movie image that I have recently uploaded to GPT and generated the prompts. So this is how easily you can generate a similar prompt of your own choice based on you then just made some improvements to the prompt, the style, the age of the girl that you want and more of that stuff, the image that you are generating. But this slim image looks so real. So this is how the Leonardo.ai tool actually works when it comes to real-time generation, flow state, video or image. You then even upscale your image. So let's see if this thing happens. I'll add that exact same image. Let's see. Now I'll add this image and I will try to upscale this image a notch up. So let's see, the upscale will not happen because it needs 30 tokens. So every generation needs token, whether you are using a video, whether you are using the real-time canvas, not for real-time canvas, but for flow state, for videos, for image, for upscaling, you need more of tokens so that you can easily generate. Because I'm using a free version of Leonardo.ai, so I have only 150 tokens per day to use. If you are a pro user, if you can buy or if you are someone who want to use this tool every day but a lot of generation of the image or the videos you want to go for it, you then just simply take the pro version and go for it. Just see the plans and pricing. This tool is a really amazing tool when it comes to image generation or video generation. If I click on the more option, this is the exact thing that's coming over here. The 3D texture I just want to show you, but I think so upload a new object. I think so this turns the image into a 3D texture image. So let's see if I could simply do that, or else I have to let's go to the download. Right now I will not be able to use this tool, these features, but you need to just upload your image or drag and drop. So let me do something. I'll drag and drop it over here. Error, file not valid. File is currently accepted. Please use a different file. So let me do something. I will go to my image over here, the image that I generated recently, and I will download this one. And now let me use the 3D texture if I'm able to use it, and I'll show you how the 3D texture generation works. Let's click on upload a new object. And still it's not working out for me. So just use this, try this feature, how this tool actually works. The OBJ file only needed. Just go and try this thing out, and this will also be I think so this tool generates your turns your image into 3D texture something based. Just go and try this out and you will be amazed how these tools actually works like magic. So this was all from this tool number 1. We have covered the complete Leonardo.ai tool. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and if you have seriously enjoyed this lecture, I just want you to drop me a 5-star rating so that it helps me as well as my tours to reach more of such students like you all. So if it's possible for you, please drop a 5-star rating so that I could even know what I need to do when it comes to making this course even better and more comfortable for all of you. So thank you so much. Now I will see you in tool number 2. See you there. So now it's time for tool number 2, and that is Elevenlabs. So this is how the Elevenlabs dashboard actually looks like. So this is the most realistic voice AI platform that you will find anywhere. This is the best tool, I would say one of the best tool that you will find when it comes to text to speech or the AI voice generation. This tool literally generates such an amazing and realistic voice that you can't even imagine. So this is when you come down, you can get started for free. You get actually 10,000 tokens per month to generate AI voices as you want. AI voices of your own choice. You then simply sign up with your Google account, with your Apple account, or your Gmail account. If you are someone new to this platform, or if you are someone who uses this tool regularly, so you just need to log in. So let's see a short video. Building AI agents who can speak. Generated AI agents is now easier than ever. Hi, what would you like to talk about today? And introduce voice conversational AI will let AI voice the way you test you deploy. Genuine one plug is it and most natural way to AI voice of your own choice. There are tons of voices that you then use. So I'll simply log in with my account because I'm already a member of this tool. I am using a free version, but the free version is also one of the most amazing version that you will find. If you are getting started, just go for this one and it's just amazing. This is the instant speed. So when you will come down over here, as soon as you log in, this is the page actually looks like. So on the left hand side, you will find different voices, text to speech, voice changer, sound effects, voice isolator, same as these ones. Same as you can see over here. These all are same as you can see over here in the dashboard. So this is the studio, music, dubbing, speech to text, audio native, and more of that stuff. So this is the instant speech. This is the audio bot. You want to generate an audio bot based on a PDF. Just upload a PDF and it will generate a complete audio bot voice. This is actually what it looks like. This is Elevenlabs agent. This is music, sound effects, and more. So you can even clone your voice if you want. If you want your voice to be cloned, is actually if you are someone a content creator, you will create content regularly. And if you want to clone your voice and create your entire video based on AI based videos, so you can simply clone your voice. It happens over here. This is the latest from the library. So these are the few voices that I have used recently or is showing me in the library. So we will get into that very soon. So let's go to the instant speech part. So let's click on over here and you will find out voices that I am using recently. So James, uh, I then use if I want. This is James, this is Jane, this is Juniper and Hope. So this each voice has some significant. So this is something a professional English audio, but so if I want to use this, I need to upgrade the plan because I did not use this one. Just because you have used all a custom voice slot, that's why I did not use this voice. I need to upgrade it. But when it comes to the voice that I have recently, which I am using recently, this one I then use Chris. So this is the model that I'm using. This is the recent model that I'm using, the Elevenlabs, the alpha model, and these are the old models, mostly old models, and this is the real model. Real model means the most recent model that I am using right now. So if I click over here, now I need a complete script. So let's click on again. Yeah, Chris is showing over here. Chris. So I need a Chris related voice. So I delete this first, the old generation. And now I need to again change the voice to Chris. This is the natural and real voice. This is a young adult voice. So every voice has some features with it. So based on that feature, you can simply use for what you want. So now I'll go to ChatGPT to generate a short script to show you how this actually works. So I'll write over here, hi GPT, I want you to generate me a short 30 seconds emotional story in a paragraph format. Why I'm writing paragraph format? The reason is simple. Just because it will be easier for me to copy and paste it right there. So I'll hit enter and let's wait for a moment to generate the entire story. So an old woman sat alone on a bench part, plunging a small music box. So I'll copy this from here and I'll paste it right here. And over here, when you will thumb down, you will see an enhanced voice is written. Where it's on. Here, enhance alpha. So you can enhance this voice if you want. What this features actually do, if there's a pause needed in between any of the sentence, a laugh needed in any of these in between any of the sentence, it actually includes those things. So you can add audio tags to help right delivery. That means it automatically add different tags when it comes to if someone is laughing in between over here. So it adds the laugh part there. So this voice actually looks really real when you will generate it. So when I click on the enhance alpha feature, you will find an old woman sat alone on a path, and this nothing happened because just this was a simple story, but still I'd cry. I think so there's some issue related to this happening. So they are showing me they have enhanced this voice. So now let's generate a speech and see how this voice actually looks like. So let's see. An old woman sat alone on a park bench, clutching a small music box that no longer played. Every day she wound. I will just show you. Hoping the melody can at the same tune, like it husband used to dance with her too under the stars. So there are an old woman sat alone on a park bench that you were clutching a small music box and no longer played too. So this one after generation, little girl passing by noticed Dre's got these two voices you then tune every day she wound it, and you'll bring the melody with her video based on the same tune her late husband used to dance voice. And little people who listen to the one after the same little girl passing by noticed her stride, took the bar phone is and gently fixed the key then in mouth as the music began to play again, and my woman's eyes are filled with tears. For that, just a nice song. So but for the reminder that love voice, you cannot hear the voice properly because of this microphone. So let it be, but this is how this text to speech actually works like. If I come to the home page again of 11 Labs, now let's go to the home page and see the next feature. This is the audiobook feature. Click on the audiobook right here and upload a PDF file. So I have a PDF, my book PDF, this one. So just upload a file and create a project. So let's wait for a moment and see how this tool actually works like. Auto assign voices automatically detect character in the project and assign matches the voice if I want. So let's see if main Troy. So let's regenerate this and figure out what's actually happening. Man Troy. Override, remove background voice. This is open pronunciation editor. Metro uploaded the metro file, but still it's somewhere. It's creating an issue with this. So let's come back and see what's actually happening when it comes to creating a new audio. We'll upload a document. So I've uploaded this document. Let's see if this thing actually works out. But this thing is for your error update subscription for starter tier to assign voices. If you have already have a document uploaded below, I uploaded it. But let's see what's so hardcore about Go that no one wants to hear. Everyone says they want Go. But by mistakenly I have uploaded my carousel PDF, so that's why it was somehow creating an issue. So now let's try again with this one. Is a Word document, but still let's see if this works. So let's wait for a moment to see if this actually works or not, because there's the entire book that I've written and that was the exact document, but still it's not working over here and I can't eventually why this part is happening, why this thing is happening with me or in today's recording, why this thing is happening. So let it be, just try to upload your own PDF and try again. If it works, then it's fine. If it not works, I'll again try to reshoot a video where I will show you how this thing actually works for you and me. So let's keep the audiobooks away and let's go to 11Labs agents. So now let's see what this agent tries to do. Quiet all mindfulness torch. If I want to create an agent or start with a blank template and customize your agent, you can create your 11Labs agent from here and you can use it in your business or in any kind of work that you want to do. So if I need a mindfulness torch, I would So permission denied, you can use this and you can talk to this Elevenlabs agent if or a Elevenlabs coach. These are all the agents that have already uh, been made by someone. This is the sales agent Harper. This is the video name character agent. This is the support agent. You can just click on try it all and you then simply talk to them based on based on anything you want to know more about, whether it's talk to speak to Joe, a mindfulness coach who helps you find calm and clarity. If you want to ask something based on mindfulness or clarity or calmness or peace of mind or something like that, you then simply go to Joe and you can ask it for. Now again, come to the home page and let's see. Come to the home page. Go to afternoon, no merits, average duration. So this all didn't happen. Once you create your agent, you will be able to track your metrics over here. So once you will create your agent, if you want to create your own Elevenlabs agent, you then simply create it. You then see the credit, the total cost of these credits, the average cost per call, the total large language model cost, the total average cost of this on a monthly basis, or the agent if you want to go ahead with this. If creating your you don't have any active agent right now, if you want to create your agent, you then see all the metrics over here, how your agent is working out. So I'll come to the home page again, to the Elevenlabs homepage and click on the music option. Now you can simply generate your entire song with Elevenlabs if you want. So this is the two variants, number of variants 2, duration close to 1 minute, and lyrics auto, custom or instrumental. So for downloading and broad commercial use, you need to upgrade it. But there is one more tool where that tool is basically based on generating different musics and songs of your own choice. You then create your own songs. I will cover that tool later, but that tool actually works for that one. So I'll describe a song. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I will write Hi GPT, write me an amazing song close to 1 minute on friendship. Hit enter and let's wait for GPT to generate the entire song. You can be more serious when it comes to detailing your prompt, because the more detailed it is, the more better for GPT to generate the prompt. That means I've written a simple prompt that generate me a song on friendship. You then simply use generate me a song on friendship based on the name of the friend you want to include, based on the emotion you want to use, based on the what feelings that when it comes to that song, based on which song writer style do you want that song to be written, and more of that stuff you need. So this is the entire song that GPT had generated for me within a second. So I'll copy this from here. This is close to 1 minute. I'll paste it over here and I'll hit generate. Now you just need to wait, submit a prompt and start your first project. I have submitted the prompt. Oh, it's already generating. It is showing me it's generating for me. So here's the complete song. When the world feels heavy and it finds the nights get long, you're the voice that turns my silence in a song. Through every storm, through every fall, you that I'm on you, and to show you how this song actually, when the world feels headless life. So what I will do is when the as you learn of this video, I will generate or I will record this part where the song voice is turning separately so that we don't you how the 11 who has Mac music generator scene has playing both browse how is into my microphone is plugged in, so it's not just the music, we cannot listen to that music. So that distance far for that I will record this separately with the entire song, and at the end of this video you will find this. So this is how the music thing actually works like, but you know, as per the rule, that free rule that you only the 10,000 tokens or credits per month, so only 5,000 is remaining with me right now. So let's go to the home part. Now you can generate sound effects if you want. You can describe a sound effect of any new sound effect which is not there on the internet. Even it's not there on the internet, something new, a sound effect of a cat, of a lion, of a dog, of something different, or something out of the universe based sound effect to then generate the prompt from Chat GPT, some new sound effect, not over and important one, and you then paste the prompt over here on Elevenlabs and you then hit enter and Elevenlabs will generate the prompt of your own choice. These are the different prompts that are already been there, been here, over here. You then simply use it, but you need to use the items. So there are some upgrade plans that you need to be a pro user of Elevenlabs so that you can simply use this. So this is an animal, bass, comb, all the sound effects, the sound, the voice, the music, everything you will find in a one single place. So this is how the Elevenlabs tool, actually why this tool is such a great tool. So this is the dubbed voice. If you want to dub your voice, this is how you then use this tool, import your YouTube video. So discover how you can easily dub any YouTube video for easy sharing. So professional editor app that makes it easy and precisely dub content with unlimited control. 29 languages, you then dub this voice, the Elevenlabs, using the Elevenlabs dubbing tool in 29 different languages. Just upload your video or the file, select the target language that you want, Hindi, English, Chinese, Portuguese, French, German, upload the video or the link of the video and you can create a dub of this voice, dub of your video, voice, something like that. So this is how this tool actually works like. So this was all from Elevenlabs tool, the AI tool of Elevenlabs, where you then use the instant speech, audio bots, Elevenlabs agent, music, sound effects, and the appears on to all of this. And the only thing I want you to do is just simply draw and use your hand-on technique and generate the voice. Use the audio boot, just try it out for the audio boot. For me, it didn't work well. I don't know, I think so. I have an issue when it comes to the document part or something, but try it out. It will work for you really well. The music was great and the sound effects was also good. And the end of this video, you will find that music that we have recently generated. I will record this differently. Removing my microphone, I will record it and I will show you how that music part actually worked out. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next one.